Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Rashmika Mandanna inspired makeup look. It's the most wearable makeup look like ever. And lots of Christmas related videos, lots of makeup looks coming up on my channel, so watch out for that. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe right now so that you get notifications for my videos. And now let's get started. First of all, sorry for the noise that's going on. There's construction going on in the building and I can't really help it, but I had to make this video for you guys. So before starting with the makeup, I just washed my face with the Dermaco's 2% Niacinamide Gentle Skin Cleanser. The one that I'm using is for dry, normal and sensitive skin. In the market, there are lots of face washes, but there's hardly any good face wash for sensitive skin. This is 100% soap free and it cleans the skin. It does not strip your natural oil and it's very gentle on the skin. It removes dirt, oil, makeup and other impurities. It soothes and comforts sensitive skin and protects the skin barrier. It comes in two variants. One is for sensitive, oily and combination skin and the other one is for sensitive, dry and normal skin. So after washing my face, I always make it a point to use a sunscreen. I'm going to use the Dermaco's Ultra Light Zinc Mineral Sunscreen. It comes with SPF 50 and PA+++. This is sweat and water resistant and is suitable for all skin types. This has 25% zinc oxide and gives a non-greasy finish with zero white cast. All products by the Dermaco are fragrance-free. Every time you make a purchase, you extend your support to more than 10,000 students. And you can use my coupon code SUSH2023 to get it 20% off. So I just washed my face with a cleanser and I applied sunscreen. And now I will just make my skin really glowy. So I'm going to use this Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation and I am in the shade Beige. I'm going to mix this K-Beauty Primer Illuminating drops in the shade Golden Twist. So, are there bubbles inside? Okay, so I'm going to mix these and apply it on my face. Okay, just quickly apply it all over my face. Guys, did you watch Animal? I was shocked after watching the movie. What was with the character of Ranbir Kapoor? I don't understand. मेरे साथ ऐसे करने आओगे तो एक पटाक. Now I will quickly do my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing pencil. Just keep the eyebrows very natural. I'm going to use a concealer and I'm going to mix these two. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Actually, I'm just going to use one. I'm going to use the shade Medium and just focus in the inner corners of my eyes because most of the darkness is right there. Then I can spread it on the outer corners of my eyes. And then blend. Oh my god, it just blended beautifully in seconds. Now taking this Forever 52 banana powder, I am going to set my under eye area. And I'm going to take this e.l.f. primer, apply it on my lids, and I'll just blend it with my fingers. Actually, I'll just blend it with my beauty blender. Now I just have to look how she looks. So now taking this eyeshadow palette, this is from Lakme. It's the Spotlight eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use 3 shades of brown. So the first brown I'm going to use is this one. This is the lightest brown. I'm going to take it and apply it in the crease of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this medium shade of brown. Just apply it on your eyelids. Now I'm going to take the same brown that I applied all over my eyelids and take it and apply it on my lower lash line. Look up and apply. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and apply it on the lash line. Like right where my lashes are, just there. And I'm also going to take this very patla brush and apply this dark brown shade on the lash line. Like I would apply an eyeliner. I mean, you can hardly see it, but it is going to make a difference. It will be a little like gradient from the lightest brown to the middle brown to the darkest brown. I'm using the Forever 52 XL Volume Lash Mascara. You can use whatever mascara works for you. Just layer it up a little bit because we're not going to use any false lashes today. And also on my bottom lash line, I'm going to use the Milani bronzer. I just want my skin to look very glossy and very shiny. So I'm just using a shiny bronzer. Next, I'm going to use the Milani blush. This is in the shade Blossom Time Rose. It's a very pretty pinky peachy blush. This is the Luminizer highlighter by theBalm. I'm just going to use this on my cheekbones, on my nose, chin, and a little bit on the forehead. And now I'll blend everything with the help of my beauty blender. Just bring it all together. For the eyes, I'm thinking of doing another step, which is like taking a black kajal. This one I'm using is from Maybelline. This is the Tattoostudio Gel Pencil Liner. This is in the shade Metallic Night. So I'm gonna just apply it on my lash line very, very thin, just to make a little bit of impact. Also a little bit on my lash line, like just try and apply dots, just like that. And it just look like that. I'm going to use this Plum liquid lipstick Matte in Heaven in the shade Papaya, and I'm going to use a very little amount on my lips and just spread it with my fingers. Actually, I feel like this is the perfect shade that she's wearing. I'm also going to add a little bit of Mamaearth Featherlight liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Perfect. Just apply a little bit. I'm going to use a makeup fixer spray. This is from Swiss Beauty. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.